Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram not showing notes problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Next, go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it and you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to maybe clear data. But be careful, when you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, databases, settings, accounts, etc. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.